In this video, we will see how to fix Microsoft Teams error code 0 on Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing Microsoft Team error code 0, then here are the process. Right click on start button, choose settings, and here from the left side, go to network and internet, click on it. Thereafter, go to right side and here scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Thereafter, scroll down and here you will find the option network reset. Choose network reset and your PC will be restarted. Network reset. Choose reset now and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting of your network process. After that, check whether your Microsoft Teams error code 0 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. Here execute these three DISM tool as shown on your screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once successfully execution of the DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter and wait till 100% verification of your system completed. It will not only detect the issue, repair them accordingly. And after that, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Team error code resolved or not. If not, check your Microsoft Teams server status. To check server status of Microsoft services, launch Google Chrome browser and here type Microsoft service status. Press enter and choose first appeared result, service status. Click on it and here check Microsoft Teams server is correctly working or not. Here you will find all your services, Outlook, Skype, Microsoft Teams, and you will see working properly. If you found any yellow color exclamation mark, it means you will have to wait for sometimes till server up. The next workaround to fix this issue is open control panel in your system. From the top right corner under viewed by, choose large icons and here scroll down and click look for the option Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it and here from the left side allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it and from the appeared list look for Microsoft Teams and make the check against both the options under private network as well as public network to enable Microsoft Teams through Windows Defender Firewall. Simply change settings and make the changes under private and public network against Microsoft Team app. In my case, Microsoft Team is not available, so it will not be showing here. The next workaround is right click on start button and choose here from the left side, go to apps, click on installed apps from the right side. Here look for the Team app. You may type in Team in search field and click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Teams and choose advanced options. Here make sure that all the permission is recommended and scroll down and under reset option, if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair not work, then choose reset and if click on reset again and if repair and reset both not resolving their issue, then simply uninstall Microsoft Team apps and install a fresh version of Microsoft Team app through Windows Store or Microsoft Store. So uninstall it and reinstall a fresh version of Microsoft Teams in your system.